And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to give you a video tour this morning of this 2020 Chaparral 373 MBRB. This is a phenomenal family coach, whether you're looking to take extended vacation time or you're looking for something that you can live in. This coach for a family certainly fits that bill. We're going to start here on the outside. We're going to start with the front cap. This is a TPO front cap. It goes extended all the way to the back front corner of the roof. LED lighting all the way around. It's designed for tight turn radius, so it gives you that tight turn radius. Again, all LED lighting. You've got the front compartment. This front compartment is a metal front compartment designed to allow you to put heavy items in it. You can also add a generator to it if you so desire. You're going to have a quick connect here for portable solar, so you can hook up a portable solar panel and have it out here and move it around as the sun moves around. Going to go over here to the side. Got a long electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. Outdoor speakers. You've got a stand here to add a television out here. If you like to watch the game when you're out here under the awning with the family. You've got cable and satellite hookups right there. Additional power and additional power right here. Nice flow through front compartment. Lots of storage in this coach. Propane tanks, one on each side of the coach. You've got a wind resistant door, so that's really great for when you're on the coast or out in the desert. You've got high winds, solid step walking in, large grab handle. Come on inside. This coach again is the ultimate family coach. You're going to see you've got a lot of cabinet space all the way around. All of your cabinet doors are hardwood. The drawer fronts are all hardwood. This is a 4 Seasons trailer. They test their trailers to 0 and to 110 degrees. So it's a true 4 Seasons trailer. Large 4-door refrigerator. You've got a microwave. You've got an oven, a 3-range burner. You've got theater seating. The theater seating has got heat and massage, large 55-inch television, CD, DVD player. You've got an electric fireplace that also works as a heater. Look at the extra room back here. You've got an extra room in the back. Not only do you have an extra room with seating, additional sleeping area, but you've got an additional bathroom. I'll let the camera do the work back there, but you can kind of see what you've got here. The cabinet space, the additional spots to add television, dresser drawer setup, and again an additional full bathroom in the back with an escape door right here in the back. Coming back towards the front of the coach, we've got another surprise. We've got another bedroom with, again, more sleeping, more drawer space, more cabinet space, another spot to add another television where the kids can watch games or do what kids do nowadays. And moving up into the upper deck, we're going to have another bathroom with a walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, additional cabinet space, medicine cabinet, a spot to put toiletry items, a spot to hang your towels. Then we come into the master bedroom area. The master bedroom area in this is really nice. I mean, you've got a lot of cabinet space. You've got a slide out with a wardrobe closet. On both sides of the bed, you have 110 power. You've got USB ports, nightstand, and you've got an additional closet here. And this additional closet is actually set up for a washer dryer. So you can add a washer dryer in this unit as well. Again, all of these cabinets, everything you're looking at, the cabinet doors, and drawers are all hardwood. So this unit is designed to be lived in. Does not void your warranty. Let's go outside and look at a few additional things. Coming to the outside, they really do some cool stuff. You've got an outdoor entertainment center here. That's going to have a barbecue. It's going to have a cutting board, nice spot to charge your phones, USB ports. On the back side of the coach, we're going to have a ladder. We actually have a full walk-on roof. We've got a receiver hitch in the back that will allow you to put a bike rack or an extended deck on the back. And it's pre-wired for a backup camera. So really cool stuff. This coach is an awesome unit. Let's come down this side. When you come down the side, you're going to notice the unit has mag wheels. It has Dexter axles. It has nitrogen in the tires. They use nitrogen because it doesn't leak out of the tires as quickly. So when you're leaving your coach parked for extended time, you don't come back to flat tires. But the really cool thing on this unit, look at the docking station. The docking station's all inside. Everything is heated. Your dump valves are heated. You've got everything in one spot, which is really convenient. Outdoor shower, tank flushes, water fills, everything right there. Got a large capacity water heater, and you've got a self-leveling system. So this has the auto level system on it, and additionally you've got your battery disconnect right there. So everything is very conveniently located. They've really well thought out this coach. Chaparral's made by Coachmen. They've been making units for years. They do a phenomenal job. They back their coach. If you have any questions on this or any other unit, please contact me directly at ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com or 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.